Rick from the White Elephant Shop again. I wanted to talk to you about spring cleanup. Spring is coming, and this time of year everybody's going out in the shed, going down the cellar, going in the attic, finding all that stuff, all that clutter, and you can turn that clutter into cash right here at the White Elephant Shop. Nowadays the things that are hot are smalls. You can get a nice used guitar. We love costume jewelry, and we'll take it. People all the time, they come in with boxes, they bring box lots to the shop and take pictures with their phone or the camera of the larger items they have, and we'll come to your house and pick those up. So don't forget, the White Elephant Shop, spring cleaning. We're ready, we're waiting for you.